So in this 3D Max course, so we'll be covering on how to model advanced 3D shape, how to render with realistic textures. This is just a demonstration where I can actually easily model 3D on any particular view. So I'll be choosing perspective view, then I'll just locate like one base. Okay, so let's say I'm drawing a booth, right? A booth. So I can like park one pillar of this booth here. Okay, use the move button. I can move. I can change view as well. I can easily change view in 3D Studio Max. I can copy my object easily using 3ds Max. You can easily copy item and lengthen it. Nak panjangkan dia senang. You can actually like multi-select that and copy all those items into the other side. So I can easily target like one primitive, like let's say it's a pyramid, right? So which I can easily target and to represent this pyramid as a roof. I can enlarge it, okay, widen it. I can easily orbit it. So all of this will be taught in this course, including like material, right? I can material of this roof, like I can choose a particular texture. Okay, let's say if I want a texture like the bitmap, okay, and I just find all the textures. First, okay, let's say this one, material texture. Okay, let's say if I want this particular texture, so I can select that and click and drag here and click this, so it will be present there in the viewport. And I can also set my texture to be chromic, right? And I can set the specular level and glossiness here. So we are also teaching you the material settings and how to render this in 3D Max using VRay software. Okay, and then I'll just change the background first before I just render that. So if I go to rendering, render of that, so you can see I've inserted the material texture there. Okay, so we'll be covering this material texture and how to model the 3D in 3ds Max. Okay, so I'll demonstrate on, there are more things that will be inserted in this course, like I can like easily import AutoCAD file or any 3ds model, okay, or any AutoCAD model in this particular software, okay, and you can actually do all sorts of modeling, like I can actually build like one plane like that, and I can click modify. I can enter segments in. I can right click that, convert that to editable poly. Right click, convert to editable poly. Choose particular one vertex, and I can select that vertex, and I can use my soft selection. Let's say I use my soft selection, and I will increase my fall off here, let's say 500, okay, or maybe 20, maybe 100, right? So I can increase that, so we become like that. So I can actually move that around. So these are sample advanced shapes which you're going to learn in the 3D Max course. Thank you.